Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My amendment would add the President and the Vice President to the list of covered individuals in this bill. We all know that the President and the Vice President have access to sensitive financial information. However, these offices of public trust are missing entirely from this bill. The President has an unprecedented ability to influence the United States economy and the world economy, which we have witnessed as President Trump's tariff war has tanked financial markets. In fact, last April, I led a letter as the Ways and Means Oversight Subcommittee ranking member demanding accountability for President Trump's announcement and quick reversal of the reciprocal tariffs, which created massive shifts in the U.S. market and raised widespread concerns of market manipulation. Not surprisingly, the Trump administration failed to respond to the letter. Additionally, the President can currently trade on inside information, and this bill does nothing to stop that. President Trump has purchased several corporate bonds seeking to influence market decisions. According to reports, President Trump's purchased up to $1 million in Warner Brothers bonds, all while attempting to secure government approval for a Paramount Warner Brothers merger. This merger, if successful, would increase the value of the bonds owned by the President and represents a pattern of blatant corruption. When the President or Vice President intervenes in markets for personal gain, as we have seen time and time again with this administration, it not only hurts businesses, but drives up costs and puts jobs at risk in working communities like those I represent. My constituents see the results of this corruption every day, with increased costs to their food, housing, and health care happening simultaneously. Every person that holds a federal elected office in the United States must be accountable to those that they represent. Enough is enough. The time has long come for Congress to address the violations of the public trust by the executive, the President, and the Vice President, not just members of Congress. Failure to include the President and Vice President in this legislation will fail to implement reforms that Americans overwhelmingly support. I strongly urge my colleagues to support this amendment to end presidential insider trading. And with that, Mr. Chairman, I ask for unanimous consent to enter my letter to President Trump about his tariff war and market manipulation for the record.
Without objection.
With that, I yield back the balance of my time.
The gentlewoman